If you also want to use split screen in your iPhone, then this video must watch till end. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to use split screen in your iPhone in iOS devices without Siri application and without jailbreak. Guys, it is a very simple method. No use any jailbreak and no use Siri application and no tough setting. You can use this feature in any iPhone devices, no matter which iOS working in your iPhone. For enable this feature, you want to download one application from App Store, and this application link in description. And I opening this application. This application totally free. That's ad is coming, just one tap on cross. And guys, now you can use separate screen. I am opening at YouTube, and here below you can use any other website. I open Google. You can search any website in Google. I am searching my website. You can see this is my website, every for all. Tap on here, you can see this is opening successfully in your iPhone separate screen. You can see this is my website and Google is running successfully, and you can adjust separate screen from here, adjust up down from here. You can see you can adjust up down menu. Is a successful running application, and application link description. You can use this application successfully in your iPhone in iOS devices. This application totally free, not any charges. And please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest some rules and application link in description.